Right, guys, we have Zeno here and his beautiful 57. It's a 57, right? I'm
Correct.
looking at the license plate, you're cheating. Tell us a bit about it, mate. You just said to me before it took 12 years to get it to this stage, so.
Yeah, it was, when I got it, it was basically, it was in the same colours.
Yeah.
But it was all, the paint was all worn off.
Yeah.
So I think it'd been under Poland sort of
Yeah,
thing.
okay. Is there a reason why you picked this colour? Like, wouldn't have anything to do with your hat that you got on at the moment, does it?
Possibly, yeah.
Teal, you know, we like our teal.
It just worked out that this is the one we could afford at the time,
Yep.
sort of thing, and it's a 4-door hardtop, so
Yeah.
it's called a sports sedan. And weapon is, because I wanted to keep it left-hand drive,
Yep.
every time I rang Reedsy to find out if I could, you know, change the colour
Yeah.
put a different motor in and stuff like that. But no left-hand drive at that stage, you had to keep everything as it came out of factory.
Yep.
So hence why I went down the line of all. It's
All
got
original.
a 1957 block.
Yeah.
283.
Yeah, right.
The trans is a cast iron power glide.
Cast iron.
Cast iron. So
Heavy.
They're very heavy, yes. You only got 2 speeds. You got basically
Yeah.
start in one and you only have one change.
Yeah,
sort of
yeah.
thing. So,
No, 12 years of the process. Did you do it all yourself or did you have it through?
No, the bodywork was done by All Car Restorations at Elizabeth.
Yeah, okay.
Under Romano. And the paintwork was done by Joe Muscat.
Yep.
Sort of thing. He did
Okay.
the paintwork. Putting it all back together, what happened is, because I had cancer,
Oh, okay.
I lost ability to walk and everything with my cancer.
Yeah, right.
So I had my cousin and family friends help me 2 years.
Yeah, okay.
Just putting all the interiors,
Yep.
like the
Bits and
deadening
pieces,
and bits and
yeah,
pieces
yeah.
and getting it on so I could get through Reedsy sort of
Oh,
thing. So,
well,
yeah.
amazing, mate. Well, you got some good friends there, that's for
Yeah.
sure. And obviously you're doing all right from your treatment and stuff
Yeah,
for
yeah.
cancer and all that sort of stuff now?
Yeah, it was 2017. So
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, amazing, mate. Well, that's awesome. That's awesome to hear. Well, can I go around and sit in that?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, I love sitting in these things. Oh, all right. Oh, the room. Oh, that door noise is always the best, isn't it? This is unreal. It's actually very, very comfortable too.
It is very comfortable.
How long has it been done for?
2019. I got it on
2019. It looks brand new.
Yeah, I got it through Reedsy in April 2019, and then COVID hit. So
It's a bit like that, isn't it? I love it. It's awesome. Big doors. Big heavy doors, aren't they?
yeah.
Well, yeah, let's have a look at it underneath the bonnet and then see what you've done in there. Wow, it's very original in here, isn't it?
Yeah, that's 1957 283.
283, yeah, right. And they came with the...
They came with the dual 4
carb?
barrels.
Yeah, right.
The only difference is I couldn't get the original carters.
Okay.
The manifold is a 1957 manifold.
Yeah.
But the carbies aren't, because
Okay.
trying to get the carters, $15,000
Wow.
second hand, and then I had to get them restored when I got them here.
Yeah, okay. Far
So,
out. And aircon?
Yep, it's
Got-
got vintage air conditioning.
Yeah, which you need.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Yeah, plan to drive it in summer here. So
Yeah,
it's-
well, that's it.
yeah.
That's when you want to get it out for sure. And is there anything in the boot?
The boot's been all paint and everything like that.
Yeah. Oh, the spare tyre on the back here.
Yeah,
Far
spare
out.
tire.
The gold trim's a nice touch. 2 spare tyres.
2 spare tires. Yeah, this one here, this is an original cross-ply.
Oh, yeah.
But what happened is, to get this chrome ring, it took 3 adults to get the chrome ring on and off it.
Yeah,
So
right.
if you get a flat, you want to get to that one. You don't
Yeah.
want to take this
Don't
apart.
want to take this one, no. Well, would you have to let the tyre down and then do it?
Yeah, but if you got it flat, you haven't really
You
got
can't
air.
really do that, can you?
It's got a little spring on the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
See, there's a little spring.
Yeah.
And that clips, but the ring itself is just the tension of the steel ring.
Yeah. That's bloody cool, isn't it? Done an absolute amazing job with it. I love the gold trim. Is that how it originally was? It'd have that gold
Yep, the
trim?
Bel-Air.
The Bel-Air, yeah.
The Belairs had the gold finishings.
Yeah, okay.
The name, the V. The V
Yeah.
stood for V8.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So when you see a V on the bonnet
Yep.
and on the boot,
Yeah, all right, I
it
didn't
means
know
it
that.
came out of the factory with a V8.
Cool. I better sit in the back.
Yeah, sit in the back. It's very comfortable.
They literally don't make them like they used to, do they?
No,
Bloody hell.
they don't.
This is so good. This is probably the only car I'd like to sit in the back of.
There's heaps of room.
There is.
The 1950s, they went to a lot of trouble to hide things. Like, try finding the fuel cap on this, by the way.
Is it in like the light switch? The lights, the rear lights?
On the 56 it is.
Yeah, okay.
On the 57 it's not in the rear light, but it's in the rear fin. Yeah, they went to a lot of trouble to streamline and hide things. So like the 56, they put it in the rear light, so you...
Oh yeah, so is this it in here?
Yep, if you flick that, you'll flick it around.
Look at that.
Yeah, on the 56, because the tail light was up here, they had it behind the tail light, and you flick the little...
that one too?
That one doesn't move, no.
Well, mate, it is beautiful. All right, mate, this is beautiful. Thank you for bringing it in, but are there any future plans? Like maybe like, say, an LSA, supercharged, you know, maybe a manual gearbox or something like that? Because I have seen a couple of these with some really big tires underneath them with a big block or a LSA or something in them. So is there anything else you're going to do to it?
At a time, because the rules in South Australia were that you had to keep it all original. So our original plans was to put a big block in it, paint it red. But yeah, when that all changed, I had to keep the original. So at the moment, I'm happy to get I do want to change the springs in the bonnet. So I want to get rid of the stick.
That's fair enough. Get rid of the stick. Just the small things, you know, the minor details. And speaking of rules, Adelaide, you need to ease up on all these rules. It is ridiculous. I'm sick of having them jump through hoops for you guys. But anyway, that's another story. Well, mate, it's a beautiful car. I've got a little gift here for you that all my guests get. I got your hat.
Oh, thank you.
And a bunch of stickers.
Yep, thank you.
And then
much appreciated.
We'll just get a quick photo and then we'll get you signed the wall.
Perfect.
Does this thing do burnouts?
I could try.
No, we won't do that. It's too good to do that. We'll get you to sign the wall wherever you'd like. Nice big blank spot there. Very good. Thank you very much, mate. I really appreciate you coming down. It was awesome to see the car, and it is beautiful. You've done a great job.
Thank you.